Hi, this is Thomas. Welcome to my channel. In this channel you can find videos explaining high school level mathematics. In this video we will be discussing how we can find the square root of 2 using long division method. Long division method is explained in one of my other videos. You can find a link to that in the description box. So for finding the square root, the first step is to write 2 as a decimal number using zeros. The number of zeros will depend on how accurate result do you need. Okay, so I have written 8 zeros, and for that we can group it into a pair of zeros starting from the decimal to the right. Group. So I want the square root of 2 up to 4 decimals. To the left of the decimal places you can group it from right to left. As there is only one digit here, we can make 2 as one group. Now let us start the long division process to find the square root of 2. So the first step is to find take the first group, and you need to find a perfect square number just equal to it or just below it. So as you know, 1 is the perfect square number below it. So we can write it here, and you have to write the square root of this here as the quotient and also as a divisor. The next step is to subtract it as we do in the long division. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now you need to bring the next group down. As this group is after the decimal, we will put the decimal in the quotient. Okay, now we are bringing the zeros down, so this becomes 100. The next step is you will have to add the last digit to it. Then you will get 1 plus 1 is 2, and you will have to put a space here. And you can get this divisor by multiplying this quotient by 2 as well. Okay, then you will have to find a number here, and you will have to multiply with the same number. You should get something below this. So let us try with 4. So 24 into 4 is 96. So that is just below it. So you can take 4 as a number to replace this space. So you will have to write this same 4 in the quotient as well. Okay, now you can subtract it. Then you should continue the same thing here. You should add the last digit to it. Then you will get 24 plus 4 is 28, and a space should be kept here. You should find one number here. So the number to replace this space will be 1, because if you take 2, that will go beyond this. So 281 into 1 is 281 itself. So don't forget to write this one here as well in the quotient. Then let us subtract it again. That will be 119. Bringing the next group of zeros here. Then continue the same thing. Last digit to be added to it. So 281 plus 1 is 282, and a space. Then you can repeat the same procedure. You can take one more number here to replace the space. So that should be 4 11296. Okay, 406. So okay, then you can replace the same thing by bringing the next zeros here and repeating the same procedures. But at this point I am stopping it because there is no more space here. Root 2 is an irrational number. The decimal expansion will be a non-terminating number. So you can continue to find more and more decimal places numbers in this